In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your comment author name in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're using Acrobat Pro DC or the Reader version, these steps will help you customize this setting quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat. After opening it, if you're on Windows, navigate to the Preferences by clicking on Edit in the top menu, followed by Preferences. If you're on a Mac, simply click Acrobat in the upper left corner and select Preferences. Once you have the Preferences window open, you'll need to find the section marked Commenting. Depending on your version, this might also be labeled as Comments and Markup. Click to open it. Now, within the commenting section, search for a checkbox labeled something like Always Use Login Name for Author Name. This is your default setting, linking your comments to your login credentials. For the next step, simply uncheck this box. Unchecking it allows you the freedom to personalize the author name displayed on your comments, rather than being stuck with the default tied to your login. Your next move involves setting the desired author name for any new comments you make. To do this, you'll need to close out of Preferences. Once that's done, head on over to the Comment tool set. You can access this through the Tools menu and then selecting Comment. With the Comment tool set open, create a new comment or select an existing one. To bring up its properties, just right-click on the comment and choose Properties from the options. Go ahead and navigate to the General tab, and in the Author field, you can now enter the name you'd prefer to use. If your goal is to have this name appear by default for all future comments, here's how you do it. Beneath the Author field, there should be an option that says something like Make Properties Default. Check this option, and it'll ensure that every comment you make going forward will display your chosen name as the author. If you've already got comments but want to apply this change to them as well, it's certainly possible. Head to the Comments pane. You can select multiple comments by holding down Ctrl or Command and clicking or shift-clicking to select a range. Once your comments are selected, right-click on any one of them, choose Properties, update the author field to your new name. Do make sure to select the option to set this as the default for future comments, if prompted. Finally, it's time for the verification step. Save your document and then add a new comment to ensure that your new author name is displaying correctly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.